Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! See you next time! Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
See you next time!
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Hasta la vista, my dude!
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Adios!
Remember to stay seated till the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! See you next time!
Come on back to the forest where you belong. See you nice little rabbit.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
See you next time!
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Hasta la vista, my dude!
Rabbit, don't call Uncle Louie. I won't hurt you again. I promise.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Adios!
Fix this guy. Fix him like me, huh? Step right this way.
Remember to stay seated till the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! See you next time!
No, I'm too young to die. Please.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
See you next time!
Goodbye, Uncle Louie, for me.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Hasta la vista, my dude!
Don't die with the rabbit. Please don't die.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Adios!
Remember to stay seated till the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha! See you next time!
No, but I'm gonna get you.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
See you next time!
Please don't be so mean.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Hasta la vista, my dude!
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
Adios!
Remember to stay seated till the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right. Ha-ha!